In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram story not showing problem. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or else you can forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rezone it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, first close and reopen Instagram. For that, launch your Instagram, close it, and again reopen it. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is update your Instagram app. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is launch your Instagram app, navigate to your profile page, click on three bars given at the top right. Now scroll all the way down and click on the option Logout. Click on Logout, wait for a few seconds and then log in back. If none of these solutions work, lastly what you want to do is report the problem. For that, launch your Instagram, navigate to settings and activity page, click on the option help. Now click on the option report your problem. Now over here you'll need to briefly explain about the issue that Instagram story are not showing and you can send it. With that, Instagram customer support team will get back to you. And that's it. These are some fixes for Instagram story not showing problem. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.